Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is nothing to do with our farm whatsoever. I am actually across the road at the neighbours property, Eldena. I'm with the Hall family. They are harvesting some barley with their John Deere 9770. You guys might be familiar with one of those if you watch my channel, but I rang Tim up and I said we're held up with moisture sort of not being quite right, being a bit iffy, and I said how about I come out with the drone and grab some footage of you guys harvesting, and he said yeah, that'd be great. So we're going to throw the drone up here, try and get some footage. Now Tim is the guy who has hired out the canola pickup front to me to harvest the canola this year, so he's a great bloke, and yeah, it'd be my privilege to get this footage and edit and put it up for him, so let's do it.
You've got to have them shut all the time. Is yours like that?
Oh, ours is shocking. The gate hardly reads on the gauge anymore. It just Like it can be shut, and then you just touch the SCV, and then all of a sudden there's just grain pouring out.
Yeah, we normally have big piles every year. We have enough space.
Hey, how are you?
Hey Henry.
How are you, mate?
Alright, how did you go?
Good.
That's
You're going to be YouTube famous now.
YouTube famous. I said that to Mother Goose. So yeah, went about 3.75 tonne.
Oh, really?
23 bags.
It's pretty good.
Oh, really?
Looks like a decent crop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's alright. I think
Not too bad for the year.
Probably our best barley crop, I think, maybe.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anyway, nah, thanks for that, mate. Yeah.
Oh no, thank you.
No.
I'll be looking forward to looking it up. And doesn't bother me, but yeah, it was like, what the hell's that?
I've still got that old footage from 2-3 years ago when I snuck the drone in on you.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll chuck it on the end of this one.
Yeah, no, that'd be great, Henry.
All right,
Anyway,
easy.
Nicky, that worked out all right.
See you later, Henry.
See ya.
I'd love to jump in when you're doing your canola and just suss you out there a bit one day.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
Troubles when you're reaping, I'll be reaping probably.
exactly. That's why I thought I'd better come today.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, your head's the same as that, so it
Looks exactly the same. Yeah.
You might be able to work out that you might be able to put yourself in it rather than me in it.
I'm not that good.
Oh, I reckon you'd be no, all right, Henry.
Too easy, mate. See ya.
See you later.
Thanks to Tim for letting me come out there today. Like I said, it's my pleasure to come out and film that, and I'm sure he'll enjoy, and the family will enjoy looking at that footage. So that's going to be me signing out for now. Hope you enjoyed this little one. Take care, have a good one. Until next time, see ya.